Hi, bright minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of vegetables. Are you ready to discover some fun facts about one of the coolest veggies around? Let's talk tomatoes. Tomatoes are not just tasty, they are also super interesting. Did you know that tomatoes come in all shapes, sizes, and colors? That's right. Let's explore the tomato family and see what makes them so special. First, we have the classic red tomato. These tomatoes can be used in a variety of dishes, including sauces, soups, salads, sandwiches, and your favorite pasta, noodles, and some packed food items like tomato juice, tomato paste, tomato puree, and in ketchups. Next, meet the yellow tomato. They are a bit sweeter and can brighten up any dish with their sunny color. Now, check out the green tomato. They are not fully ripe, but they are delicious in their own way, perfect for making tangy sauces and chutneys. And finally, we have the cherry tomatoes. These little guys are like tiny, sweet snacks right from the garden. They are great for popping in your mouth or adding to salads. Today, I'm going to show you the tomatoes growing in my terrace garden bags. These cherry tomatoes are like little kids, small, colorful, and full of energy. Just as kids grow quickly, these tomatoes are ripening fast. Tomatoes are more than just tasty, they are also super good for you. They are full of vitamins that help keep your body strong and healthy. And they are really easy to grow. Growing tomatoes is a fun project. You can start with seeds or even small plants from your local garden store. Make sure to give them plenty of sunshine and water. Watch them grow from tiny sprouts into big, beautiful plants. And Here is a little secret. When you grow your own tomatoes, you are helping the environment too. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen, which is super important for a healthy planet. So, what do you say? Let's get planting. It's a fun way to learn about nature and make a big difference. Plus, growing your own veggies can be so rewarding. Imagine picking fresh tomatoes right from your garden. Alright, it's a time to say bye bye. Thanks for joining us on this tomato adventure, Bright Minds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a fun episode. And remember, planting more trees and veggies helps our planet stay green and happy. See you next time.